How much excitement, how much excitement can I possibly have every time there's a Zoom update? I know, seriously. I'm sure you're going, really? I'm not playing. If you run a lot of meetings and you have a lot of teams and different things that you do and breakout rooms and all of those things, we've got so much to chat about today. I'm Kathy Weaver, and today is Words of Wisdom Wednesday. And you know by now that I am such a huge part of the fan club for Delinda Lane and the Fun Fearless Female global community of Christian women. And I seriously love Zoom. I don't know if you can tell, but I do. Every time you get that boom, Zoom is updating, Zoom is updating, Zoom is updating, most of the time you go, uh-oh, what does that mean? Well, guess what? One of the coolest features I discovered since last night, I've already been in meetings this morning. I am blown away by how cool this is. Did you know, as the host of your meeting, you now have the opportunity to broadcast your voice to your breakout rooms. What? I know. I've already done it. It's a blast, and it really is cool. Now, obviously, when you're in the breakout room, the host of the meeting or the co-host or whoever's running the breakout rooms has the opportunity to type a message, 5 more minutes left, or don't forget the question of the day, or we'll get to see you in the big room, or whatever you say. And I call it the main lobby, by the way, but whatever. Now you have an opportunity to literally hold down the B on your keyboard, B for broadcast. And now you can broadcast holding it down. A microphone pops up like a speaker, and hold down the B and say, 5 more minutes, ladies. Or don't forget, we're going to get our pictures taken in a few minutes, or whatever you want to say to everyone in the breakout rooms. And so, of course, being me, I had to check and make sure that I could hear it correctly and all of those things. So when one of my ladies came back from one of these meetings, I said, how was it? She said, loud and clear, perfect. And I went, okay. So now it is so exciting to be able to share this with you. I love Zoom features. I love Zoom updates most of the time, as soon as I figure them out. But once again, I say in a lot of my different trainings, push the button. You can't break anything. Push the button. And I love, love, love being able to share this with you. So let's go over it again. You are the host of your meeting. You must be the host, because we tried that too, as far as co-hosts and different things, and it doesn't work. So you must be the host of the meeting. Okay. You must have breakout rooms. That's the point. And once your friends, your colleagues, your teams, whoever you train all day long, once they're in the breakout rooms, you hold down the B for broadcast on your keyboard, and then hold it down and tell them whatever you want the message to be. And they hear it loud and clear in the breakout room. So again, new Zoom feature. I'm a geek. I'm a Zoom fan, which is probably the deal. But as soon as I discovered this morning, I turn on my computer and everything's different. And all of a sudden this broadcast message comes up and says, you now have B broadcast ready to go in your breakout rooms. And I was like, holy moly. So anyway, I wanted to share it with you. I love, love, love being able to do Zoom features, the apps and the timers and the virtual backgrounds and all the things that Zoom has for us. I love these. And now the B for broadcast is one of my new best friends. I know. I will recover from all this Zoom love soon, maybe, or maybe not. Every time they do an update, I kind of go, what's this going to do? But in this case, it's super fun, super awesome, and I want to share it. Thanks so much for watching Words of Wisdom Wednesday, and I will see you hopefully very soon in the Fun Fearless Female global community of Christian women with the one and only Delinda Lane. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Kathy Weaver. Bye for now. Zoom.